Hello friends.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make a bouncy egg experiment.
Here are the ingredients.
First you need an egg. This is one of the main things, and the vinegar.
And you need the jar.
You don't need food coloring, but if you want to make it colorful, you can add it. So first, we both have jars. But in the jar, we have to take one egg, keep it in. If you could see, I could show you. I'm making a red one. And my brother is making a blue one. So now we should add vinegar in it.
It should cover the whole egg, but it should be slightly over the egg, not the full jar.
I think I poured a little too much. You can pour the rest, I don't mind. Look at mine.
You could see the reaction.
You also might need a spoon to move it around if you need to.
Now it's time for the food coloring.
Open. Only add 2 or 3 drops. Add the food coloring. Whoa, this is gonna be so red. 1 drop. Oh, 2 drops. Oh, I added a little too much. So we have to wait for 24 hours.
As we look at the egg for 24 hours, the vinegar will dissolve the eggshell and turn the egg naked, making the egg bouncy. Now let's wait for a colorful bouncy egg.
It's going to be blue and red. It has been 24 hours that have passed. Let's take out our egg and take off the shell on the egg. Let's see if it's squishy. Oh my, it's slippery. Yeah. You have to keep the egg in cold water. Pop. Cute. Keep this one in, I don't mind. Look at all that. Whoa. The shell is so easy. You just gently rub it. It's getting all weird. It's really squishier than I expected. My brother is gonna keep his for 2 days. He said it's gonna be so cool. Well, I'm like, let's see about that. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Squishy. It actually could break really easily. It's squishier than I expected. Boing, boing. It looks like a birdie's egg. Squish.
My egg has been in the vinegar for 3 days. Let's see how it will turn out. 2 to 3 days. Now we'll put it in water and wipe away any part of the eggshell away. This is how the egg turned out. As you could see, the egg has grown bigger than it was in the eggshell. This is because water went inside the egg egg a little bit and made it a bit bigger. Unlike the red one, which has been in vinegar for 1 day, as it has been in vinegar for 2 to 3 days, it has gone stronger and bouncier. Well, not practically bouncier. Oops. Here is the membrane.